Have you ever wondered, can what you eat really affect your chronic pain? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Chronic pain affects countless individuals around the globe, making even simple daily tasks a challenge. One of the key players in this discomforting scenario is inflammation, a natural response of your body that, when out of balance, can contribute to chronic pain. The food we consume plays a pivotal role in managing and sometimes even provoking this inflammation. Certain foods have the power to tip the scales towards or away from inflammation and, consequently, chronic pain. For instance, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other vital nutrients can help reduce inflammation and alleviate the symptoms of chronic pain. So, rather than reaching for that painkiller, perhaps it's time to reconsider what's on your dinner plate. So, if you're looking to take control of your chronic pain, you might want to pay more attention to what's on your plate. First up on our list of anti-inflammatory foods is fatty fish. Now, we're not talking about just any fish. We're talking about fish that are packed full of omega-3 fatty acids. These are the good fats, the ones that play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the body. Let's dive a little deeper into the sea of knowledge. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats, meaning our bodies cannot produce them on their own. We must get them from our diet. They help to reduce inflammation by interfering with the production of chemicals that promote inflammation in the body. These are the kinds of fats that make your cells dance with joy. You might be wondering, what kinds of fish are we talking about? Well, when we say fatty fish, we're referring to fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are not just deliciously succulent, but they also pack a punch when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids. But don't just take our word for it. There's a wealth of studies that back this up. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that eating fatty fish once or twice a week can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties. Another study in the European Journal of Nutrition found that consuming omega-3 fatty acids, like those found in fatty fish, can help to reduce inflammation and improve symptoms in people with rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disease characterized by chronic inflammation. So, whether you're grilling a salmon steak, enjoying a mackerel salad, or spreading some sardine paste on your toast, you're not just tantalizing your taste buds, but also doing your body a world of good. With every bite, you're fighting inflammation, reducing chronic pain, and promoting overall health. So consider adding some fatty fish to your diet for their anti-inflammatory benefits. Because when it comes to food, it's not just about satisfying hunger. It's about nourishing your body, fueling your cells, and living a healthier, pain-free life. Our next anti-inflammatory powerhouse is berries. These small, vibrant fruits are not just delicious, but are also packed to the brim with health benefits. Let's dive into the world of berries and discover how they can help us combat inflammation. Among the variety of berries available, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are the superstars in the anti-inflammatory galaxy. Each of these berries, despite their differences, share a common trait. They are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are like the body's defense system, fighting off harmful molecules known as free radicals. These free radicals can cause inflammation, which is linked to many chronic diseases. By consuming berries, you're essentially supporting your body's defense system with an army of antioxidants. Let's start with strawberries. These juicy, red delights are not just sweet and refreshing, but they are also rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation. Next, we have blueberries. These tiny blue marvels are a powerhouse of antioxidants. They contain a specific type of antioxidant called anthocyanin, which gives them their deep blue color. Studies have shown that anthocyanin can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. And lastly, we have raspberries. These tart and tangy berries are loaded with ellagic acid, a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Now you might be wondering, are these claims backed by science? Absolutely. Numerous studies have shown the anti-inflammatory benefits of berries. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that people who consumed a diet rich in berries had lower levels of certain inflammation markers in their blood. So, the next time you're craving a sweet treat, consider reaching for some berries. They're not just a healthier alternative to sugary snacks, but they also support your body in its fight against inflammation. And who knew? Fighting inflammation could be as simple as enjoying a handful of berries. Next time you're looking for a sweet treat, consider reaching for some berries. Green leafy vegetables. They're not just for rabbits. Let's dive into the world of emerald-hued foliage that packs a serious nutritional punch. We're talking about spinach, kale, collards, and the like. These humble greens, often overlooked on our plates, are powerhouses of nutrition, boasting high levels of vitamin K, a nutrient renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Now you might be wondering, how does this work? Well, vitamin K acts as a regulator in our bodies, keeping inflammation in check by inhibiting inflammatory markers. It's like a peacekeeper in the tumultuous world of our bodies, ensuring harmony and balance. Now let's move on to spinach, the poster child of leafy greens. Popeye wasn't chomping down cans of spinach for nothing. This green gem is rich in antioxidants, which are known to combat oxidative stress, a key player in inflammation. Then we have kale, the darling of the health food world, and for good reason. This leafy green is jam-packed with antioxidants, including quercetin and camphorol, which have been studied for their potential to lower inflammation. And let's not forget collards, the underdog of leafy greens. They might not be as trendy as kale, but don't underestimate this southern favorite. Collards are a great source of vitamin K and have been linked to reduced inflammation. The benefits of these leafy greens aren't just anecdotal. Numerous studies have shown the relationship between the consumption of green leafy vegetables and reduced inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that higher intake of green leafy vegetables was associated with lower levels of inflammatory markers. So let's give these greens the recognition they deserve. Incorporating them into your diet is a simple and delicious way to combat inflammation. Toss them in a salad, blend them into a smoothie, or sauté them with a little garlic and olive oil. So, don't forget to eat your greens. They're not just a side dish, they're a powerful tool in your arsenal for combating inflammation and promoting overall health. No Mediterranean diet is complete without olive oil. This golden liquid is more than just a cooking staple. It's a powerhouse for health benefits, especially when it comes to fighting inflammation. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind. But the goodness doesn't stop there. It's also packed with antioxidants, substances known to combat inflammation. Let's delve into the science a bit. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that the antioxidants in olive oil can help reduce the markers of inflammation. Another study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition reported that olive oil consumption can decrease the production of pro-inflammatory compounds in the body. So the next time you're reaching for a bottle of oil, consider olive oil. Not only will you be adding a flavorful touch to your dishes, but you'll also be doing your body a favor by reducing inflammation. Olive oil, a delicious way to combat inflammation. So we've learned that what we eat can indeed help manage chronic pain. It's like they say, you are what you eat, and in our case, we can eat to beat chronic pain. Let's take a quick recap. We discussed the power of fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These good fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, thus aiding in pain management. But remember, grilling or baking the fish is a healthier choice over frying. We also talked about berries, those sweet and tangy delights packed with antioxidants. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries contain anthocyanins, which not only give them their vibrant color but also have anti-inflammatory effects. Then we moved on to green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, and collard greens, oh my! These are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that fight inflammation. The darker the leaf, the better, as it usually signifies a higher nutrient content. And lastly, we poured over the benefits of olive oil. This golden liquid is not just for sautéing your favorite veggies, but is also a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory compounds, like oleocanthal, which works similar to ibuprofen in reducing inflammation. Incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into a balanced diet can be like your secret weapon against chronic pain. Of course, it's essential to remember that these foods are not a cure-all, but they can certainly complement your overall pain management strategy. And while we're on the topic of overall health strategies, let's not forget the importance of regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. These aspects, along with a balanced diet, can create a synergy to help you manage chronic pain better. Remember, every bite is an opportunity to fight inflammation. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice. Here's to a healthier, pain-managed life. Cheers!